Are you looking to improve your flexibility, strength, and overall well-being through yoga practice? Yoga is a great way to reduce stress, increase mindfulness, and improve your physical fitness level. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced yogi, there are endless benefits to incorporating yoga into your routine. From increased flexibility to improved posture, the positive effects of yoga are abundant. Not to mention, yoga can also help with muscle tone, balance, and even weight loss. Many people find that practicing yoga regularly improves their mental clarity and focus. With so many different types of yoga to choose from, you're sure to find a style that suits your preferences. From energetic vinyasa flows to relaxing yin yoga, there's something for everyone. If you're new to yoga, consider taking a beginner's class or following online tutorials to get started. Remember, yoga is about progress, not perfection, so be patient with yourself as you learn and grow. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.